I will shoot you. Yeah, let's start. 3, 2, 1, action.
Two years ago, I set off on a journey in search of the perfect photo. So far, the journey has been full of adventure, but one thing has become clear. Every place has its beauty if you've had a good night's sleep and a pocket full of unexposed film. For me, photography is a story that I can't narrate in words because when words become unclear, I focus on photographs. I never had high-end gear that will put me in the same league as the so-called professionals. All I had was passion. A passion that convinced me that my entry-level camera would capture the perfect photo for me, and only then would I have reached my destination. I hopped from town to town, from city to city, from country to country in search of the perfect photo. I met different people, experienced different cultures, interacted with different races, and took shots in different countries. They all gave me different imaginations of the perfect photo. We had a good time, exchanged ideas, and it really opened up my mind. Photography for me isn't what the eye sees, but it's rather a feeling. If you can't feel what you're looking at, then you're never going to get others to feel anything when they look at your photos. I wanted to take photos, which if at all seen in the future, will be keys to the past. After months of wallowing around the globe in search for the perfect photo, I came to realize a perfect photo doesn't exist. I have learned that perfection doesn't exist in art because art is a feeling and feelings are subjective.